Geography.
Is this a geography lecture now? Pakka, are you sure? Okay. So we have geography class until 11. Okay. So I want to make the most of it today because we are starting a new chapter. Who knows which is the second chapter in geography?
Landforms.
Correct. Landforms. We spoke about landforms last time, remember? We had a bit of introduction. We saw all those different types of mountains. We saw those tallest mountains. There were 7 tallest mountains. Okay. Then we also saw the flattest part of Earth, which is called the biggest mirror on Earth. Yeah, we felt like we have to go on
In
a trip to
Bolivia.
that place. Bolivia. We felt like we really have to go on a trip to this place as a school trip. Wow. I so wish we could do that. पता नहीं international travel कब हो पाएगा.
Imagica.
Sorry?
My wish is to go to Imagica.
You should go to Imagica. Yeah, I'm missing Vihan today in class. उसको लेके Imagica चलना चाहिए हमको.
Not Imagica. Let's go to Malaysia. In that, there's another water park. It's the best water park almost.
Let's come back to class. Let's come back to class. Let's come back to landforms. We will do our trip sometime.
Better joy. Better joy.
Okay. So, we saw 2 different types of landforms. Landforms means how the land looks on different parts of the earth. Some there are mountains, some are plain flat land, some are plateaus, some are valleys. Okay, I'm going to show you a picture. I'm going to show you a picture, and I want you to tell me which all landforms do you actually know. Okay, I'm going to just share a landform picture with you, and I'm going to ask you if you've heard of these places. How many of you have heard of mountains?
Me.
How many of you have heard of mountains?
Me.
Okay. How many of you have heard of volcanoes?
Oh.
Me.
Subhan, are you there?
Yes.
Then please put on your video so I know you're there.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Put on your video so I know you're there. Okay. Have we seen these kind of valleys?
Yes.
Yes. Tanishka, can you say where have you seen these kind of valleys? Have you seen between 2 mountains? You are right. Have you actually seen this kind of spot anywhere when you went for a drive or a long drive or something like that?
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I go for climbing, then I see it.
Wow, we should do that. We should do that. I'm going to make that as a planned trip for us whenever we look to start off. Cool. How many of you have seen these kind of plains? They are just absolute flat land. Yeah, Subhan, where have you seen this? Flat land for such a long distance. Such long flat lands. Where have you seen?
Ma'am, in Mulchi.
In Mulchi. Oh, okay. Okay. All right, fine. Okay. Have you seen canyons? These are called canyons.
No.
Have you seen canyons? It's not formed anywhere near places where we stay. So chances of us having seen a canyon is very little. Island. Have you seen islands?
Yes.
Yes.
You may not have actually seen it yourself, but you must have seen it in pictures. Have you heard of Australia?
Yes.
Yes.
Covered by water on all sides. Have you heard of this place called Lakshadweep?
Yes.
Andaman and Nicobar Islands?
Yes, Andaman and Nicobar. I was just going to tell that. Ma'am, Sri Lanka.
Yeah, island. चारों तरफ से पानी है. Covered with water from all sides.
Australia.
Okay. Have you seen rivers?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
How many of you have seen an ocean and which one?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have seen Arabian Sea.
Ocean.
I've seen.
Mama, I'm
Ma'am,
seeing the screen.
Ma'am, in Goa, what it is? In Goa, which ocean it is?
Those are beaches. What
I am not
Rocky
seeing
beach
the
has seen.
screen.
Pranav, you're not
Ma'am,
able
I
to see the screen because the network at your end is not working, Baba. That is why.
Ma'am, I
Ah,
have seen
No, ma'am.
Rocky Beach in Goa.
okay. Beach is different from ocean. How many of you have seen an ocean?
No one, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
And Talkali beach.
Ma'am, so,
Beach.
ma'am, so Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean, yes, we know there's Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean. Very good. Indian Ocean. How many of you have seen lakes?
Ma'am,
Everyone.
I just saw it in Urli Devachi school only. If you go near Custard Apples, you can see a lake over there.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Have you seen hills?
Ma'am, I have
That
gone
day.
there for swim.
Good. Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah,
Ma'am, day before yesterday when we had gone to school, no, Padma ma'am and me went there and threw stones also.
Okay, cool. How many of you have seen hills? You must have seen this around our school also.
Everyone.
Yes, hills are
Yes.
there around our schools. So our school is an awesome place, huh? It's got lake,
Ma'am, our
a
school
river,
name is
it's
also
also
hill.
hills. Sorry.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
ma'am, our school is hill on hill.
Okay, cool. Have you all seen a waterfall?
Head over hill.
Yes, I
Dudhsagar.
stood also under a waterfall.
Ma'am, I have seen Dudhsagar.
Ah, nice. Nice. Who said that?
Ma'am, in Urli Devachi.
Ma'am,
Subhan.
Subhan, my
Very
name.
nice, very nice. Have you seen a bay? A bay is something that is shown here in a picture.
Beach. Beach.
Kind of a beach, but it is all between mountains. See this? That's a bay.
Yes,
Yes, I've seen. Yes.
I have also seen. It is in also only Devachi there is a bay.
There is a bay in Urdu Devachi. Kya baat hai?
Yes.
Baap re baap. Okay, I would really like to go and
Yeah, it is
see a bay. If it can
Yes.
be defined as a bay, I'm going to give you definitions for each of these words, okay? And then you're going to tell me if the one that you saw near our school is a bay or not. Okay? All right. Plateau. How many of you know that Maharashtra is a plateau? How many of you have read
I know.
that Maharashtra is a plateau?
I know.
Ma'am, Andaman and Nicobar Islands is also a plateau.
Island, वो तो island है.
Yes.
वो plateau कैसे होगा? वो तो
sir.
island है.
महाराष्ट्र प्लेटो है.
Okay. Plateau है मतलब उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? It's a plateau means what?
Mountain areas.
Mountain areas. Mountain areas है तो फिर वो mountain हो जाएगा. फिर mountain के नीचे है तो valley हो जाएगा. वो plateau कैसे होगा?
Ma'am, plateau mean hilly places.
Okay, we'll come to that. When I give you the definition, maybe you'll be able to understand it better. Have you seen गुफा? Cave देखा है कभी?
Yes.
Cave के अंदर गए हो?
हाँ,
Right.
नहीं.
मैं गया हूँ. मैं
गए
गया
हो?
हूँ.
शेर या भालू दिखा वहाँ पे?
नहीं, खाली था.
खाली था? अच्छा, it must have gone to the bay nearby. Don't worry. It must have just gone for a bath.
Ma'am, I am not seeing the screen.
Yeah, no ma. Pranav, I will definitely send you the video link of what we are doing. Okay. I'm really sorry, Baba, that I'm not able to see the screen, but what to do now? I will send you. हमारा एक पूरा classroom है ना.
I know.
मैं पूरा record कर रही हूँ. I'll send you the full recording of the classroom. Don't worry. Okay.
So, ma'am, can I wash my hands?
Yes, so go wash your hands and come back. Jaldi.
Pranav, in chemistry also you disconnect and then come back and then you could see it. Then you could see the screen. Now disconnect and then again come back. You can see the screen then.
Okay. How many of you know what is a peninsula?
Peninsula.
पता नहीं?
No.
South process of you
No.
having watched seen it is a little difficult. Bless you. Bless you.
I've heard it.
You've heard of Peninsula.
Peninsula.
Okay. Have you seen a glacier somewhere on TV or in your books?
Yes, I have seen it, but I've not gone it. It is near Mount Everest.
Okay. Subhang, Tanishka, have you all seen a glacier?
No.
कहीं तो भी देखा होगा पिक्चर्स में या फिर बुक्स में नहीं? Okay, no problem.
हाँ.
No problem. We'll go on to the next screen.
You can see now, Pranav.
Can you see this image here?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Ma'am, can I wash my hands?
Yes. Go. Go wash your hands and come back. Jhatpat. Jhatpat.
Pranav, can you see now?
No. Mom, can I go to washroom?
Yes. Jhatpat. 2 minutes. जिसको सुसु करने जाना है सब लोग भागो. Go for washroom. So I'll share my screen again. Okay. Okay. So you see that there are different types of mountains also here. Okay.
Yeah.
You see there is an ocean here because it's huge. Okay. You see the lake, how it looks? It's a small little water body which has very thin amount of land that is covering it from all sides. Okay. Do you see that this particular river is flowing from here? Some kind of mountain or stone formations through which water is flowing.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the river. Okay. Now, do you see this is an island? Okay. These are some islands that we have here. Okay. Now, do you see this waterfall here? Up here, do you see the waterfall? Yeah. Now, this is how it actually looks in real life. Correct? Really, when you go to see in a natural landscape, it will look like this. No, these will be the mountains, and you will be able to see waterfall through it. You can see a clave, the plateaus around here, or mountains also have claves. Let's see this. Does this look a little more realistic?
Oh, yeah. Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ पे ये volcanic mountain है. You see the shape and the formation of these volcanic mountains. It is like a stand.
Yes, ma'am.
इनके बीच
Like
में
this.
नहीं है. ये ऐसे इन सब के बीच में नहीं है. यहाँ पे अकेला सा है. See in the previous one also, it is not amongst all these mountains. It is a simple separate formation on its own. You see that?
Ma'am, in this picture where plateau is written, what is the red line from plateau till Gulf?
This, it is just saying that this is the Gulf. What is that red line? I think somebody has drawn something on it. That's it. I'll just take it off. Can I find out who was doing that? Let me just take it off. 1 minute, give me a moment. Let's not have people draw on it. Okay, fine. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
It's over? Okay, cool. Now, do you see that this volcanic mountain is looking like a stand-alone mountain? It is not connected with so many other mountains that you see around. You see this is a separate formation? Yeah? Remember this, when we come to volcanic mountains, we are going to learn about why volcanic mountains are formed and how they are formed. We will learn why they are stand-alone like this. Can anybody give an example of a volcanic mountain?
Ma'am, because
No, I want
from the volcanic.
I want the name of a volcanic mountain. Anybody is aware of a volcanic mountain's name, or maybe you must have read it somewhere or you heard it somewhere. थोड़ा सा दिमाग पे जोर डालो, you might be able to recall it from some corner of your brain somewhere. थोड़ा सा. No?
Somewhere in Australia. Some Kaichung, some name like that.
Huh?
Kasi Kuchung.
Ever heard of Mount Etna? Okay, have you heard of
Yes,
Mount,
ma'am.
have you heard of Mount Fuji?
Yes,
Mount
ma'am.
Fuji तो ज़्यादातर सुना ही होगा. Mount Fuji सुना है?
No.
नहीं? Okay. So याद रखना, Mount Fuji is a very famous mountain and it is a volcanic mountain. Okay. Mount Etna, ETNA, is also a famous volcanic mountain. Volcanic mountain मतलब उसमें से volcano निकलते रहता है. कैसे निकलता है, क्यों निकलता है, उसका एक्सपेरिमेंट सब हम करेंगे बाद में. Okay?
Ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't know the name of the volcano, but I had gone somewhere where I saw a volcanic mountain. I went near it, but there is a hotel close to it.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right.
But
Do one
I
thing.
don't know
Do one
the
thing.
name.
Find out which one it was. If you have gone so close to it, you should know its name. Okay? Find out as an assignment for yourself. ये देखा है कि इसका पास गए हो तो
Tanishka,
information of it.
Yes.
Yes, Pranav, tell me.
can I come up to sit with you?
Ask to ma'am.
Yes, Pranav, you can go. Okay.
Okay, come Pranav.
All right. Come back. Let's get back to the class. Okay. Now you see that rivers are forming in between these mountain valleys here. Do you see rivers are forming between? Ranveer, stop doing that. Do you see these rivers are forming in between these mountain valleys here? Can you see this?
Yeah.
These are like waterfalls. They are coming all the way from top. जब बारिश होता है तो यहाँ से ऐसे छोटे छोटे जगहों से ऐसे होते यहाँ पे आता है. You see these valleys here? You see these mountain valleys here? Yeah, you can see the mountain valleys. Good. Now I am going to go to our next screen. And that screen is for question answer. So you guys are going to tell me One minute. Okay. Name the types of landforms you have seen so far. I will start with Subhan. Subhan, can you tell me the names of landforms that you have seen so far? We saw many names of landforms. Mountains, valleys, waterfalls, rivers and everything. What have you seen?
Rivers, lake, plains, valley, mountains, river. Only this.
Okay. How about you, Ranveer? What all have you seen?
I've seen plains, island, plateau, river, lake.
Okay. River,
Cave.
lake. Cave also you have seen. Okay, cool, good, okay. Tanishka, what all?
The lake is already written.
Yeah,
Lake
that's
is
okay.
already written.
That's okay. Tanishka, what all have you seen? Tanishka, what all type of landforms have you seen?
Ma'am, I have seen. Ma'am, what happened to screen?
I'm typing
Yeah,
whatever you're going to
I have-
tell me.
Okay, I have seen lake, river, plains, and one time valley, mountain, and waterfall.
Waterfall, okay. Pranav, what all types of landforms have you seen?
What kind of platform you have seen?
Pranav, what all types of landforms have you seen?
River,
Hmm.
lake,
Hmm.
river, lake, mountain, Iceland.
Iceland?
Not.
You have seen
No.
Iceland?
No.
Glacier.
No,
I
it's
was
okay if you
reading
have seen.
glacier.
I'm just surprised that you saw it. It's amazing. Okay, good.
Ma'am, I have not seen.
Okay, not seen. All
So,
done.
Ma'am, volcano.
Have you seen a volcano? Or have you seen a volcanic mountain?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, planes I have seen.
I've seen a volcanic mountain. I've seen a volcanic mountain.
What?
Okay. Anything else, Pranav, that you have seen?
Anything you have seen?
No.
No? Okay, that's cool. So all of you have seen so many things, huh? That's nice. So you must be able to describe most of it, because the only things that you have not seen, like one person has said cave, you all have, nobody has mentioned canyons, nobody has mentioned peninsula, nobody has mentioned island. Has anybody mentioned island? No. So those
Yes,
things,
ma'am.
the
I
other things
mentioned
that you have
island.
seen, you mentioned island. Oh yeah, island is mentioned. So whatever you have seen, you should be able to explain that, no? Okay, cool. Now I'm going to show you one video. Chalo. Shh. Okay, both of you sit back. Leave the phone and sit back.
It's like this. Pranav.
Leave the phone and sit back. Okay. I'm going to show you a particular video which will help you understand one type of a mountain. Are you ready to see that?
Yeah. Yes.
I'm going to show you one type of mountain. It is called a folded mountain. Have you ever wondered what are folded mountains?
Folded mountain.
Have you wondered what are folded mountains? Kabhi suna hai? Have you ever heard of that name?
No.
No? Okay. So we will right now, in our chapter,
Pranav has heard it.
in our chapter now, we have three types of mountains. Subhan, are you there? Subhan, are you there? Subhan, are you there? If you are there, put on your video. Okay.
Man, I now came. Now I
Where were you for so long?
down. Network was gone.
We were not on a 10-minute break. We
Huh?
were on a 1-minute water break. Why you took so long?
Man, my network was gone.
Okay.
And I can't hear you.
Can you hear us now?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to put on a video for all of us to see and hear. And this video is about folded mountains. This will be the video that we'll watch now, and then with that our class will be over. Okay, so pay attention because we are going to discuss about this in our next class. There you go.
Fold mountains.
Everyone can see it?
Oh,
Everyone can see it? Everyone can hear it? You can hear it? Kanishka and Pranav, can you all hear it?
Yes, ma'am.
There you go. Watch this. This is about folded mountains.
Fold mountains are formed when the layers of the Earth's crust are folded by compression.
How are they formed? They are formed when layers of earth have what? Compression. Do you know what is compression? When something is pressed very hard that it changes. रोटी का आटा देखा है? रोटी का आटा हम सबने देखा है? मम्मी पूरा इतना बड़ा सा आटे का एक बॉल बनाती है, correct? After that, she pinches one piece out, correct? And then she keeps it on her hand and she compresses it, right? Pranav, Tanishka, are you able to hear me? Yeah? Now, when she compresses it, does it change shape?
No. It can circle.
So she's making it into a circle, right? If she makes it into a square, it can become a square. If she makes it into a triangle, it can become a triangle, correct? So she can compress it and change the shape, correct? Compression means putting pressure. Got it? Tanishka, did you understand what I said? I'm waiting for you all to settle. Settle? Done? So Tanishka, what was compression?
What?
What is compression? I just explained compression. What is compression?
When we press it hard, it gets encircled.
It changes shape. Okay? So let's just understand what happens when the earth layers create compression and it changes shape. Listen to this.
To make your own fold
Okay, I'm going to
mountains
start
with the help of some
it
hand towels.
from the beginning so you understand it. Now, no moving here and there, just settle.
Fold mountains are formed
I'm
when the
not
layers
there.
of the Earth's crust are folded by compression.
Yes, yes, yes.
To make your own fold mountains with the help of some hand towels, lay 10 hand towels on a flat surface and place 2 shoe boxes on each side like shown here. Push the shoe boxes towards the center as shown. This activity shows us how fold mountains are formed when forces move towards a common center.
Understood? Fold mountains.
The Aravalli Range in India is an example of
Like this
old
fold
fold mountain. It was formed over 250 million years ago and has gentle slopes and low altitude due to weathering over time. The young fold mountains were formed comparatively recently, about 25 million years ago. These mountains are rugged and lofty. They comprise the world's highest mountain ranges like the Alps of Europe and the Himalayas of Asia.
Got it? You understood how a fold mountains formed? When you compress it so much from both the sides, then they just start to move on its own and then they become mountains. These type of mountains are fold mountains. Okay? These type of mountains are called fold mountains. Can somebody give me an example of fold mountains? It was there in the video. The recent most fold
The
mountains.
Himalayas,
Yes, the Himalayas. Which were
the Alps.
which were the mountains in Europe? Nahi dhyan diya. Want to watch it once again?
Yes.
Want to watch it once again? Yes.
The
Yes, ma'am.
Alps.
I
Alps.
want you all to learn it, not
The
just see it
Alps.
because I asked you to see it. Because the way it is there in the textbook, just if you read it, you will not understand how it is formed. That's why I'm showing you a video so you understand how it is formed. So watch it carefully once again.
Ma'am, in Europe it is the Alps.
Yes, it is the Alps.
Fold mountains.
See these foldings here? See how it looks like it has been folded here.
Fold mountains are formed when the layers of the Earth's crust are folded by compression. To make your own fold mountains
this at
with the
home,
help of
okay?
some hand towels, lay 10 hand towels on a flat surface and place 2 shoe boxes on each side like shown here.
Do this in the house.
Push the shoe boxes to
If you don't have shoe boxes, keep 2 scales, or if you have a long stick, keep them on either sides and push them towards the center and see how those towels are going to fold up.
Towards the center as shown.
Fold up.
This activity shows us how fold mountains are formed when forces move towards a common center. The Aravalli Range in India is an example of old fold mountain. It was formed over 250 years ago and has gentle slopes and low altitude due to weathering over time. The young fold mountains were formed comparatively recently, about 25 million years ago. These mountains are rugged and lofty. They comprise the world's highest mountain ranges like the Alps of Europe and the Himalayas of Asia.
Okay, understood? Did you understand what it was? Yes, no? Yes? Okay. Now that you've seen this video, I want you all to read 2 pages of your geography book. Okay? Because then it will help you understand what you actually saw. The pages are page 18 and page 19. Page 19 also has the folding or the block mountains. Do not read that. Only read about the fold mountains on page 9. Okay. We also heard in this video about old fold mountains and young fold mountains. Give me one example of the old fold mountains that were shown in the video.
The Alps and the Himalayas.
The young.
Those are young fold mountains, recently formed, just a few million years ago. 100 million years ago, एक और form हुआ था.
25 million years ago.
What was the name of that?
250
The
million.
old fold mountains. What ranges? Arav. एक नाम आया था बीच में. Aravalli ranges. Okay? Aravalli mountains. All right. Those are the old fold mountains. If you see that video, Aravalli mountains, they were very soft on top. They were very rounded. Correct? थोड़ा सा roundish लग रहा था. In fact, वो बड़े-बड़े mountain जैसा लग ही नहीं रहा था. But when you look at the Alps in Europe or the Himalayas in India, they are more conical and sharp tops, right? ऐसे एकदम sharp tops हैं.
We can't hear you.
Correct?
Ma'am, your video is free.
Breaking.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah. So the older mountains, they were more rounded because they were thousands of years ago. The recent ones are the Himalayas. That's why they look more conical. एकदम ऐसे triangular top जैसे लगता है. So this information is there on page number 19 in your geography book. Okay? Tanishka has it on her computer. Pranav and Tanishka, please read it together. Ranveer and Subhan also read it together, okay? In your own houses. Alright? Okay? Now, go take some break. Your next class is at
Marathi.
अरे अभी तो टाइम
11.
है. हाँ.
Which is last period?
It is at, it's in 5 minutes. Okay, Snehal teacher will come. All right. So you go wash your eyes, come back,